Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I am Breakfast of Marathons. Today we are doing the Princess 5K and me and some of the girls dressed up like 50s style villains. So I've got a big purple bow in my hair. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. I don't know if you can see that, and I've got my glasses and I've got some glitter that I bought from Sparkle Athletics. Shout out to the girls over there. And I've got my red lipstick on, which I never wear. I never wear red lipstick, but like literally, I think I love it. So we'll see how it goes after this weekend. Maybe I'm a red lipstick girly now. I don't know. Anyway, so I've got a little 50s style shirt. I love this shirt. I think I'm gonna put it in my rotation for home. So costume, shirt for the win in regular wardrobe. And then I've got a nice big skirt, which I tried to make kind of like a poodle skirt with Ursula right here, or Ursula, tentacles right here. And the best part of them all is, excuse my pile of stuff on the bed for heading out the door because we are about to leave. The best part is I've got Flotsam and Jetsam. So I will show you the outfit in pictures and once I get to someone who can sort of do a little fit check for you. But let's go.
I am going to finish this 5K.
It's Prince Eric. We are on our way. We are just passing mile 1, but there's no light on the sign, so it's still pretty dark. And I just didn't take a mile marker video, but we're feeling good. We are strolling our way through the backstage area of Epcot, and we are gonna turn a couple corners and we will be in Epcot. So there we go. So yeah, feeling good. I should put these on though, because I have to look like a 50s librarian, obviously. Coming into Epcot. I feel like I take the same video every time, but our Mexico cast members are not here. Aisle 2, and there have been like 3 character stops this whole time, and that's not cool. We have not stopped for any of them because the lines have been crazy, but alas, that means that we have more finish line time. So we're heading that way, still walking through World Showcase, about to exit World Showcase and then go around past the Spaceship Earth and out of the park to finish our 5K. So let's walk this. I was gonna say run this, but let's walk this. Quick change of plans. We have found a not terrible line and we are gonna stop and say hello to Goofy. So we're gonna wait in line. First character stop of the weekend.
You look great in your Mardi Gras outfit. Doesn't he? Looking right this way. I'm right here at me, everybody. Perfect. We got it. Look at how cute Pluto is. And Chip and Dale are over there too. But look at how cute Pluto is.
And then like sauntered and then stopped. And then
Hey Melissa.
yeah,
How's it going?
almost ran over a couple people.
Uh,
They suddenly stopped, turned around, and went the other way.
has it been a day?
Not yet.
Okay. We'll check back.
I mean, it's been good.
So I just hit 3 miles, and my watch said that mile was like over 30 minutes. I will put the exact time right here, but yep, 30 minutes. That is how you do a 5K. Well, here's mile 3.
Birthday today. That's our lovely happy birthday service dog back. Sebastian dancing around it. I like it. Look at all these presents. Hi, Daisy.
All done. Misty, did you have fun? All right, here we are. All done. Going to get our medals.
She said, I like it too. Congratulations.
Got my medal. It's Ariel for the 5K, and feeling good. My lipstick has basically stayed sort of not as dark as it was, and my glitter has stayed, and we had such a good time. So that's a 5K. All right, so we are at the finish line party, and I'm going to enjoy my hard seltzer and then go to breakfast. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!